Hello students, in this video we will do question number 6 and 7 of exercise 7.2 class 9 maths. What is question number 6? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. This is a triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC. Side AB equal to side AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD equal to AB. Side BA is produced to the point D such that AD equal to AB. Show that angle BCD is a right angle. We have to show angle BCD is a right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. First of all, given is AB equal to AC. If sides are equal, then opposite angles will be equal. Opposite angle of AB is angle C and opposite angle of AC is angle B. And then we will write it as angle ACB equal to angle ABC. This one we will assume as first equation. This is second. Reason you have to write here, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Then next is given AB equal to AD. This one is given. Then on solving first and fourth equation, we get AC equal to AD or AD equal to AC. AC equal to AD. If sides are equal, then opposite angles will be equal. Opposite angle of AC is angle D and opposite angle of AD is angle C. This one we can write it as angle ACD equal to angle ADC. This is equation third. Then on adding equation second and third, we get angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to angle ABC plus angle ADC. Now angle ACB plus angle ACD. This will become whole angle BCD. On its place we can write here BCD and this one as it is. Now we will see in triangle BCD. In this triangle we know by angle sum property, addition of three angles is 180 degree. That is angle BCD plus angle DBC plus angle BDC equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Now angle BCD we have written as it is. And on these two angles place we have written angle BCD. Because angle DBC equal to this one angle DBC. This is equal to angle ABC. Angle is same in both cases. And similarly in case of ADC. Here angle ADC equal to angle BDC. Here again angle is same. Therefore we can write it as angle BCD plus angle BDC. And its value is we have proved here. Angle ABC plus angle ADC equal to angle BCD. Therefore this will become 2 times angle BCD equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle BCD equal to 90 degree. Or angle BCD is a right angle. Which one we have to prove. Then question number 7 is triangle ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A equal to 90 degree. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at angle A and AB equal to AC. This side equal to this side. Find angle B and angle C. We have to find these two angles. One angle is given 90 degree. We have to find these two angles. First of all, we will write here in triangle ABC. Angle A equal to 90 degree given. And AB equal to AC. This is also given. If sides are equal, then opposite angles will be equal. Opposite angle of AB is angle C. And opposite angle of AC is angle B. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C. Because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now given is angle A equal to 90 degree. If this one angle is 90 degree, we know that addition of three angles is 180 degree. One angle is 90 degree. It means the other two angles addition will be 90 degree. Angle B plus angle C will be 90 degree. But also angle B equal to angle C. This implies in place of angle C, we can write here angle B. This will become 2 times angle B equal to 90 degree. Therefore, on dividing we get angle B equal to 45 degree. And angle C will also become 45 degree. Angle B equal to angle C equal to 45 degree. Okay, thank you students. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we will do the last question of this exercise. Thank you.